Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here. So today I'm sharing with you the best fried meat pie recipe with tips and tricks to ensure that they do not open up when you are frying these up. Also with tips to ensure they are crunchy. I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. You would love this recipe, so come on in and let's do this. I have some of my ingredients here which we'll go through during the cooking process. So this is store-bought cooked chicken. I find it very easy and convenient. It is also delicious with meat pie fillings. So I'll go ahead and slice them into tiny pieces. Once that has been done, I'll go ahead and grate up my onions. We will grate on this side as the other part holds the onions together. Use the finer part of your grater so that it comes out as if it has been blended. Let's grate some carrots and then we will slice up the remaining onions into smaller pieces. Now that we finish with prepping, I will go ahead and concentrate on the pie crust. You want to get the proportion of the flour and butter correctly so that it does not open during frying. I have my adobo here, I'll add some, and some freshly grounded nutmeg. A teaspoon goes in as well. Now I'll go ahead and mix up all my dry ingredients. I'll leave all the ingredients in their correct measurement in the description box for you, so please do well to check it out. It is now time to add some butter, and mind you, since we are not going for flaky baked meat pie, when you mold it, it should not hold up too much. It should be very easy to break it off. Now this is perfect. I'll go ahead and add our egg. Eggs goes in, and then I'll bring back the grated fresh onions and add it as well. We are going for a really tasty pie crust. I'll add some cold water and then mix this up. I'll now go in with my hand and mix everything up. Please make sure you have a little bit of water by the side so you adjust the texture as you go. Although we are not kneading the dough, you want to make sure that you've really put them together so that they are one in texture and there are no flour at the bottom of your bowl. So I'll keep turning it in the bowl like this until I have achieved what I want, and this is just perfect. This is the kind of dough you want for your fried meat pie. Go ahead and divide them as such and set them on your counter to rest. We are not putting this in the fridge, so I will cover it up. I'll go ahead and show you how I make this super delicious meat pie fillings. Just add a tiny bit of oil and then add your minced beef. If your minced beef contains a lot of fat, you don't even need oil. That was beef seasoning powder I just added, followed by chicken stock cube. And now I'll add a little bit of thyme and some anise seeds, as well as salt. And straight away you want to mash this up, separating all the beef, as it is very easy to separate the beef at the initial stage than to leave it to cook up. So you want to separate everything and continue to stir fry until they are cooked up nicely like this. Next, I'll add up my finely chopped sandwich cooked chicken. It is so good with the minced beef. You would be amazed with the result. Straight away I'll go with my cornstarch slurry and then mix this gorgeous combination up. It tastes delicious and it smells amazing. Now my lovely, I'll add in my grated carrots together with the chopped onions and green peas. Hello, if you are new to this channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe and hitting on your notification bell to receive all my future uploads. I promise you, you will love it in here. Yes, so now this is done. As you can see, it is perfect. Now, to make your pie really crunchy, instead of using a regular flour, I am using cornstarch to sprinkle on the board. Corn flour gives meat pie nice crunchy bubbly appearance on the surfaces, and it makes it really crunchy. I have never used it with baked meat pie. No, it's only when I'm doing fried meat pie that I use corn flour or cornstarch to sprinkle on the board. This is the thickness that I'm going for after rolling, so I'll go ahead and cut it up. I'll fold all the excess, roll them up and cut them up as well. Now I will add about 1 to 2 tablespoonfuls of this chicken and beef goodness onto our pie, and you want to close it up properly so that the ends overlap on each other nicely. Next, I'll go ahead and pinch it as we normally do with baked meat pie. Now, this is a fact. Even if you pin this down with a fork and you try to fry these, they would open up in the frying oil. If you have fried meat pie before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure it really gets sealed properly by turning the ends on top of each other and pinching it down so that it does not open up during the frying process, as you would have noticed in most of fried meat pie recipes. Now you can fry it up just like this, or if you want a wider crunchy surface, go ahead and use your fork as well. Then we are done. Look at how beautiful this is. There is no way it is going to open up when you are frying, and thereby preventing the excess absorption of oil. You can test the temperature of your oil by dropping in a piece of the pie crust. Also, ensure to fry on a medium heat. If the heat is too high, it will burn. If it is too low, it will soak up a lot of oil. Look, it is frying beautifully without the ends opening. Cornstarch trick that we use ensures that the back of it are so bubbly and crunchy. You can turn it up so that the other side also touches the base of the pan to crunch it up. Keep frying until they turn up nice and golden. Look how beautiful it is. I'll go ahead and fry up the next batch. Hello, if you are new to my channel, welcome. This is Owusu's Kitchen. I would love to have you join up our humble kitchen. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to receive all my future uploads. To my returning subscribers, thank you so very much. Beautiful. These are so delicious. It will be the best fried meat pie you would ever have. The closings are intact with these beautiful crunchy bubbles at the back. This will be your favorite fried meat pie recipe. Let's take a look at the inside. Delicious. You would love this. You would not be able to stop yourself from eating this. The pie crust itself is very delicious and the fillings are heavenly amazing. Thank you for watching. Please kindly like this video and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye bye.